Any Christmas tree? Are you sure this is 3-step makeup look?
Hey guys, welcome to YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Martina, and it's day 2 of 10 days of Christmas makeup looks. This makeup look is so simple and easy in just 3 steps. Let's begin. Okay, it's Christmas makeup. But where's your Christmas hat? Where's your Christmas decoration? Of course I have Christmas hat, but it's not real one. So guys, before starting my makeup, I'm gonna create a base. I use liquid concealer. You can use any kind of concealer you have, and a dot here, and blend it with a damp beauty blender. Any Christmas tree? Christmas tree. In makeup decoration, you just take it so hard. So guys, for the first step, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I use pencil. You can use gel eyeliner or black cocoa color. I do for one side, and before it dries, blend it with a small brush, a sharp pencil. I hate it. So it's not easy makeup. So sorry guys, I just paused my camera and didn't notice. I used dark brown shade for the second step on my eyeliner and a bit upper, and blend it, just one shade. I use a blending brush like this and blend it like this. And I said you can also use red shade instead of dark brown, because Christmas theme is red and gold, so red is good as well. Also, you should use a clean brush to blend your dark brown shade with no product on it. Are you sure this is 3-step makeup look? And for the last and easiest step, I take some of my gold shine with my finger and apply it on the center of my eyelid. And it's done. Just one thing left, mascara. And finish. For the lips, you can use red lipstick with this makeup or neutral colors, but I love the pink. She doesn't like pink. She's just too lazy to put on another lipstick. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. In just 3 steps, eyeliner, dark brown shade and shine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave comments for me. Thank you. Bye bye.